Hello, this is a recording for Monday, February 9th. Today's practice is titled Getting Present. It is designed to draw your mind back from being stuck in the past or future. Take a comfortable position and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Allow your body to soften tension, shoulders relaxed, jaw relaxed. Eyelids get heavy, getting ready to bring awareness into the present through your senses. Start by listening for sounds. Sounds nearby, sounds far away. Listening. What do you hear? Now begin to feel the surface beneath you. Is it hard or soft? Feel the texture of clothing on your skin. Is it rough or smooth? Feel the temperature of the air. Is it hot, warm, or cold? Now, without moving your head, just your eyes, look around the space you are in. Notice the size of the space. What objects can you see? What colors? Become aware of your tongue. What do you taste? And finally, do you perceive any scent? Sense near you, sense a bit farther away. Take deep breaths using your sense of smell, identifying scents. And now noticing it all in this moment, the sounds, sensations, sights, tastes, and scents. Everything at once. All of it here in the present moment. Be aware of yourself here. here and now, in the present. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you tomorrow.